So as most of you know, I live in the bush and there's so much wilderness up here. Apart from spiders, we also get other animals like feral cats. Well, my dad just happened to catch a feral cat earlier tonight, and now my mom's making me go out and feed it. So this was going to be my lunch tomorrow, but my mum is insisting that I give it to the cat. So guess I'll be having bread and butter tomorrow, as she said. Feral cats are a really big problem up here. They kill so much of the native Australian wildlife, and that's why we don't want them running around. So my dad set up a trap, totally friendly. He even fed it some chicken wings, and it's gonna go to the RSPCA tomorrow. There's the cat. Sorry, buddy, don't mean to shine that in your eyes. Wow, you're a fat cat. Want some more? You've got some on your face, little mate. Want some more? Mate, I can't believe I'm giving up my lunch. You can have fine dining. I'm gonna have to have a protein shake or something. I hope you enjoy that. So I'm sitting here next to a feral cat in the bush, pitch black of night, feeding it my fucking lunch. Oh dear. You'd better be grateful for this, mate. Alright, little mate. Get a good night's rest. We'll take you in tomorrow. Sleep tight. Soft kitty, warm kitty, little ball of fur. Sleepy kitty, happy kitty, purr, purr, purr. Hello. Good morning. So I'm just about to take the cat to the RSPCA, get him checked over. Hopefully he doesn't have bird flu, cat flu, whatever the fuck it is they get. So I'll let you know how he goes. Weenie's not happy. Weenie! Hey, you wanna come with me? I don't think you're gonna like the cat somehow, eh? Come. Come inside. Wouldn't be my car without a spider hanging around in it. Oh, it's so little and green. Hey, you little mate. You want some eggs? No. No? Nom 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 nom. Take you in? I have no idea how I'm going to fit that cage in my car, but fuck, I've had some animals in here. Cats, dogs, turtles. They stink. Hopefully it doesn't pee in here too. Alright, in the car. Oh, he's so sad. Keeps meowing. You reckon I should sing Soft Kitty to him again? You lick your butt, you little cute thing. Is that a huntsman baby? No? Okay. Where are you? Alright, we just arrived to RSPCA. Poor thing was so agitated in the car. I don't really have the best suspension. Well, I do have the best suspension. Yeah, buddy. But probably not for cats in a cage, so take him inside. So thank fuck I put a towel down and the sun visor, because little mate decided to hang a leak as soon as we got here. Must have been holding it in for a while. Come on. Yeah, look at you.
So now he's got a fence. That's kind of outside, yeah, but it's kind of a bit more. That's kind of helped. He doesn't necessarily dog can't get right up on you. But I guess I'm just looking for some, like, will he stop? He did growl at me yesterday, but he hasn't done it since, so I don't know if it was a problem. Because when he bit her, he kicked her, and then he growled. It all happened in one day. So I'm wondering if he had a ridiculous day. And he hasn't done it since, and
So I just dropped the cat off. They checked him out for microchip, doesn't have a microchip. I asked if I could say goodbye to him, and they said no. I'm like, what do you mean, bro? Like, I've been sitting with this little guy since last night. You're telling me I can't say goodbye? We've got a bond happening. So yeah, I asked the chick there, like, do you mind if I can see it before I go? And she's like, no, it's not your cat. Fucking bitch. Like, yeah, I know it's not my cat, but I just brought the thing in. Like, why the fuck can't I see it? Such a big deal? Come on, lady. We've taken that many fucking cats to RSPCA. I don't even like them. Like, if anyone knows somewhere else that I can take cats that we find, please let me know, because I fucking hate RSPCA. You know, with all their hunting propaganda and, like, oh, fuck, they do my head. I remember I once did a cupcake day and I raised $1,000 for this place. Like, what a waste of fucking money. Could have put that towards some other animals. It probably all goes into the administration shit. Oh, I'm fucking frothing, eh? So when I was in there, they said I can call back in a week or whatever. I wasn't even fucking listening. I was so pissed off. But I can find out. Like, what the fuck are you doing? Sorry, the spider's like right next to my hand. What are you doing, mate? Outside. But anyway, so yeah, they said I can call back in a week's time, found out what's happening with the cat. Yeah, let me know any places I can take stray cats to. I'm more than happy to go there. I don't care how far, well, I do care how far it is.